I'll tell you like how to convert it to binary. Most of you are already knowing, but just to recall. Say for example 7. So 7 binary is, so keep on dividing it by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 1. Okay, so you'll have to, so that is you can do like this 7, 2, 2 3s are, the remainder is, then 2 1s are, the remainder is 1. So it is 1 1 1. So the binary of 7 is 1 1 1. So it is nothing but 2 to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 2. It's 4 plus 2 plus to the power 0 is 1 and then 1. So it's right? So this is how we can write this. Similarly 5. So 2 2 the 1 is the remainder, 2 1s are 0. So it's 5 1 0 1. Again 2 to the power 0 comes into play, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2. So it's 2, so that's 4 plus, in this case 5. So this is how we can represent it. See now and means 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 and means if both are same, it is going to return 1, otherwise 0, otherwise like and means if, so then it is to the power 0 to the power 1 to the power 2. Again the same value like 5 whatever. So in this way we can use what is called as the and. In a similar way you can use or not, XOR and all those. That's how we can use it. Bitwise. So I will show one. So X, it's double and Y. So you can save it into result and then print it. Okay. So it's a single line. Okay, unsupported operator of the type Y. Okay, I have to run this. Actually, I have not run this above. So the result we can print it. The result of find. So it's fine. So that's what I showed. So in this way, we can use bitwise operator. You can try with other operators, right? So the or if any one of them is one, then it is true. XOR means if one of the value should be one, then actually it says true. So that means set each bit one if only one of the two bits is one. Right? Then not is reverse inverting. Zero field left should means shift by left and zero field right is right. So in this way, we can use the operators. Again, this is mostly in all the programming language you have the operator. So Python is not an exception. Understanding of operators is very important as we start working on the some kind of assignment or the program. So we can do. So just to conclude, there are operators like arithmetic operators, assignment, comparison, logical, identity, membership. Okay. So thank you for attending this particular session and hope you find it useful and see you in the next session. Thank you.